In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, effective project management is crucial for businesses and teams of all sizes. Numerous tools have emerged to streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and ensure projects stay on track. Among these, Basecamp stands out as a long-standing and widely adopted platform. If you're looking to understand the reach and impact of this tool, you've come to the right place. As a project management expert, I'll guide you through the available information on Basecamp's user base, its growth, and what makes it a popular choice for so many. While getting an exact, real-time figure on the total number of individual users can be challenging as companies often have multiple users under a single account, we can piece together a comprehensive picture from various sources and estimations. Understanding the user numbers. Recent data indicates that Basecamp boasts a significant global user base. Here's a breakdown of what the numbers suggest. Total registered accounts. As of 2021, Basecamp reported having around 3.5 million registered accounts. This provides a broad overview of the total number of workspaces created on the platform. Individual users. Estimates suggest that over 16 million people worldwide have used Basecamp. This significant number highlights the extensive reach of the platform across different teams and organizations. Monthly unique visitors. Basecamp attracts over 520,000 unique visitors daily, translating to more than 15.9 million unique users monthly accessing the platform. This indicates a consistently active and engaged user base. Paying customers. While the total user count is substantial, it's also important to consider the number of paying customers. In 2016, Basecamp revealed approximately 130,000 paying users. By extrapolating from this data, estimations suggest there were around 252,000 paying users in 2021. Organizations using Basecamp. Over 75,000 companies are currently using Basecamp to manage their projects and teams. This demonstrates the platform's widespread adoption across various industries and business sizes. Projects managed. Millions of projects have been managed on Basecamp since its inception. By 2013, this number had already exceeded 8 million projects, and it has undoubtedly grown significantly since then. It's important to note that these figures might vary slightly across different sources and are often estimations based on available data. However, they collectively paint a picture of a well-established project management tool with a large and active user base. The growth trajectory of Basecamp. Basecamp has a rich history, evolving from an internal tool to a globally recognized project management solution. Understanding its growth helps contextualize its current user numbers. Early beginnings. Basecamp was initially developed in the early 2000s by 37 Signals, a web design company, to address their own needs for better organization and communication within remote teams. Rebranding. As its popularity grew, 37 Signals rebranded itself as Basecamp in 2014, signifying the flagship product's central role in the company's identity. Consistent growth. Over the years, Basecamp has experienced consistent growth in its user base and revenue, demonstrating its sustained relevance in the project management landscape. Focus on sustainability. Unlike some tech companies that prioritize rapid, often unprofitable growth, Basecamp has historically focused on building a sustainable business model, prioritizing profitability, and a high-quality user experience. This approach has contributed to its longevity and continued appeal. Evolution of features. Basecamp has continuously evolved its features to meet the changing needs of its users, adding tools for task management, communication, file sharing, scheduling, and more. Recent updates include a redesigned home screen for better customization and various task view options like the card table, a variation of Kanban. Why is Basecamp so popular? The significant number of people and organizations using Basecamp is a testament to its effectiveness and user-friendly approach. Here are some key reasons for its popularity. Simplicity and ease of use. Basecamp is renowned for its clean, intuitive interface, making it easy for users of all technical abilities to learn and navigate. Its straightforward design allows teams to focus on their work rather than struggling with a complex tool. Comprehensive feature set. Basecamp offers a well-rounded suite of features that cater to various project management needs, including to-do lists, for task management and assignment. Message boards, for organized discussions and updates. File sharing, for centralizing project-related documents. Schedules, for tracking deadlines and milestones. Real-time group chat, Campfire for quick communication. Check-in questions, for gathering regular team updates. Client access, for controlled collaboration with external stakeholders. Focus on communication and collaboration. Basecamp excels in facilitating team communication and collaboration by providing dedicated spaces for discussions, feedback, and updates, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Flat pricing structure. Basecamp offers a flat monthly fee for unlimited users on its Pro Unlimited plan, making it a cost-effective solution for growing teams as the price doesn't increase with the number of users. Integration capabilities. While Basecamp offers a robust set of built-in features, it also integrates with various other tools for time tracking, invoicing, accounting, and more, extending its functionality. Examples include integrations with Harvest for time tracking and Dropbox for file sharing. Emphasis on a calm and organized work environment. Basecamp aims to provide a focused and organized platform, helping teams avoid the chaos of scattered emails and disparate tools. Its PaperStack interface is designed for easy navigation and visualization of projects. Client collaboration features. The ability to create client-specific projects and grant controlled access makes Basecamp valuable for businesses that work closely with external stakeholders. Basecamp in the project management landscape. While Basecamp enjoys a significant user base, it's essential to understand its position within the broader project management software market. The market is competitive, with numerous tools offering various features and catering to different needs. Some of Basecamp's key competitors include Asana, Trello, Wrike, ClickUp, and Monday.com. Each of these tools has its strengths and caters to different preferences and complexities of project management. Basecamp often appeals to teams that value simplicity, strong communication features, and a flat pricing model. While it might not offer the same level of advanced features or customization as some of its competitors, its ease of use and comprehensive core functionalities make it a compelling choice for many small to medium-sized businesses, remote teams, and organizations that prioritize clear communication and straightforward project tracking. Demographics and industries using Basecamp. Understanding who uses Basecamp can provide further insight into its popularity and suitability for different contexts. Geographical distribution. The United States accounts for the largest share of Basecamp's web traffic, followed by Canada and India, indicating a strong presence in North America and a growing user base in other regions.